We are at Webrazzi Digital'12 and we are together with Frank Colmsee from CoAdvertise. He was on stage just moments ago. It was a great speech. Thank you very much, first of all, and welcome to Turkey.
Thanks a lot. It was a pleasure for me. Thanks for the invitation, and hopefully we can extend this also.
Great. So, first of all, what can you tell us about CoAdvertise?
CoAdvertise is an international company. We are working on technology and technological solutions for advertisers, especially for publishers, to optimize their campaign, to get a better revenue, and of course to attract more advertisers coming to the sites and spending some money on this.
So, how do you see the Turkish market from your point of view?
To us, Turkey is a, how you say, emerging market. They are really fond of new technologies. They would like to have new technologies, and most important is they adapt this technology and put it into their own campaigns, which is quite nice to us. It's an open market and a really interesting market.
And you have an exclusive partnership with Medianet in Turkey. What can you say about this partnership and the advantages you are providing to the advertisers?
Medianet, let's say we've been in several discussions about this. To us, Medianet is anyway the biggest media network in Turkey, and so to us it's a fantastic partner to work with. It's an advantage for both sides. It's a quite a win-win situation. On one hand, Medianet exclusively get the right to use our technology to optimize their campaign, and for us it's quite good to have a strong partner on our side.
So, what can you say us about Medianet's premium networks advantages from your point of view?
Okay. At first, it's a premium network. That means to us it's quality, and we like to work together with high quality and really professional partners. And Medianet to us was the first choice in Turkey.
So, what are the advantages of this private marketplace offers to the advertisers?
It's more, let's say, you have to get back a little bit. Till now, what has been sold has been impressions, so a kind of nearly unknown user behind. And with our technology, we touch the user behind the screen, which is getting more into depth. We don't sell just sites like Hürriyet or like Milliyet or whatever. We sell points of interest. We sell the user behind the scene, who can be being approached on an individual case, and that's the real advantage of this kind of marketplaces. Real-time bidding is of course the future, and we are quite happy to be into this business and hopefully get into and run the Turkish market as well as we did in the other ones.
So, what kind of works do you do on targeting technologies, and what are the advantages of these technologies?
Okay. Let's say we combine the best technologies which are actually on the market, which is a kind of geo-targeting, which means you reach people only in this area. It's like IP targeting. We can do retargeting, which means the user has been on a site, whatever the company, and then came back, and then he will be presented the ad from this company where he's been before. And then we, of course, can do a kind of behavior targeting, following the user where he went to, where he came from, and then it's the king's next discipline is predictive behavior targeting, which means we try to predict where he goes to next, and then show the ad before he goes where he wants to go. That's the major cases, and all this is combined in our marketplace. And when you put all these things together, like the different ways of targeting, you reach a better conversion. For example, a publisher is likely to spend even more when he sees the results are getting better. When you get, let's say, present him a more specific and precise audience. Maybe, for example, you spend €1,000 on a CPC base, which is 20 cents, and then you generate maybe 100 clicks. if we present, let's say, if MediaNet is able to create a kind of more precise approach, it's a little bit maybe higher on the rate, maybe it's 40 cents, but to reach twice or three times as much of your targeted audience. That's the main aspect of this whole technology, getting deeper and precise and more specific to the user.
I see. Thank you very much for the wonderful presentation, this interview, and for being here. Hope to see you again.
It was a pleasure. Thanks a lot.